It's a giant.
Try that one, Kaden. We're gonna videotape you and yeah, slurp it. Oh, what? You can have your Nancy. Oh.
He's inspecting it. It's like prey.
I know.
Are you an orca?
I know an orca will.
Wait, here, go.
So he cleans it and then
Yes.
takes it.
Hedgehogs do this with real worms.
Really?
Yes, exactly like Kaden.
What are you, a hedgehog?
Stuck around his neck.
I gotta get a video of a hedgehog eating an earthworm.
Yeah.
I'll have to Google that. Can you slurp it up, Kaden?
Oh,
He lost it. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Can you slurp it up, Kaden? Slurp it up.
Okay, it's gonna break again. You better eat it.
It's stuck in your ear.
Can you slurp it? Can you slurp it up? I'm gonna videotape you.
Wait.
Oh.
You gotta put this on YouTube.
And that's how you slurp a noodle.